Welcome you all. I am Sindhu from Mechatronics Engineering. Now we will see about piezoelectric transducer. What is a transducer? Transducer converts one form of energy to the another form of energy. Piezoelectric transducer have positive terminal as well as negative terminal. Piezoelectric transducer works on piezoelectric effect. This effect was discovered in the year 1880 by Pierre and Curie. What is piezoelectric effect? The piezoelectric crystal is placed between the two metal plates. At that point, the material is in balance condition and does not conduct any electrical current. When a mechanical pressure or force is applied to the material by the plate, which forces or induced the electrical charges within the crystal out of balance. There are certain materials that generate electric voltage when mechanical stress or strain is applied to them. When the voltage is applied to them, they tend to change the dimensions, that means elongation or compression along the certain plane. This effect is called piezoelectric effect. Piezoelectric effect works on direct as well as reverse. When we applying the mechanical strain, it produces the voltage. This effect is called direct one. When we applying the voltage to produces the mechanical strain is a reverse effect. This is the simple example of a quartz material during piezoelectric effect. When no stress is applied, the bonding will be in normal state. When we give the force or tension to the quartz material, the elongation will be takes place. When we give or compress the quartz material, during the piezoelectric effect, it will be in compressed position. Now we will see about the construction and working of an piezoelectric transducer. A transducer basically converts one form of energy to the another form of energy. In piezoelectric transducer, it converts a mechanical forces to an electrical voltage based on piezoelectric effect. This electric voltage can be measured easily by the voltage measuring instruments, which can be used to measure stress, strain or force. A piezoelectric material is a one kind of transducer. When we squeeze the electric material or apply any force, that means a pressure, the transducer converts this into voltage. This voltage is a function of force or pressure to apply. This is sample circuit of a piezoelectric transducer. This is the outer part of a transducer. It consists of a pressure port, crystal and a base. It have a force summing member too. A piezoelectric transducer or crystal inserted between a solid base and the force summing member. If the force is applied on the pressure port, a force will fall on the summing member. Here we are using Bourdon tube or diaphragm as a summing member. Thus, a potential difference will be created on the crystal due to this property as well as piezoelectric effect. The voltage produced will be proportional to the magnitude of the applied force. This is an example of a force summing member. The left hand side diagram shows the Bourdon tube pressure gauge. The right hand side diagram shows the electric diaphragm gauge. The two are used in piezoelectric transducer based on the application. Now we will see about the materials used in piezoelectric transducer, material as well as properties. The material used in piezoelectric transducer should have a high stability, high output and insensitive to the temperature and humidity too. Also to be formed or machined into any desired shape. Example of piezoelectric materials are barium titanate, lead titanate, rock salt and quartz. Quartz is used in day-to-day applications. What is the advantage of a piezoelectric transducer? Since it is a self-generating transducer, so we are in no need for any external source. It is easily handled and used and it have a small dimensions and large measuring range. It have a high frequency response too. We are using natural quartz and barium titanate as a piezoelectric material so that it can be made in desired shape and form. There are some limitations of a piezoelectric transducers too. In piezoelectric transducer, it needs high impedance of cable and it is not suitable for measuring the static condition. This transducer, the output will be very low comparatively to the other type of transducer because of external circuit. The output is affected due to temperature or environmental condition. If humidity rises above 85%, the output will be affected. Now we will see about the applications of a piezoelectric transducer. Piezoelectric transducers are used in microphones where a sound energy is converted into electrical signal, and it is used as an accelerometer for fast frequency response. It is also used in automobile seat belt, and it is used as a strain gauge for measurement of force, stress, vibrations, etc. It is used in automotive companies, and it is also used as a inkjet printers. It is used in medical treatments for monitoring the power consumption. It is also used in smartphone screens as well as lighters. Thank you.